Yeah, for the roughages, it's not as big a deal. Like, I suppose you might ask, is there much grain in it? That may have an impact, but normally the grain is only a small portion of the overall kind of of the overall offering. So look, it's always best to shandy, but not as big a deal for the roughages. But I know I did have this question actually just this morning or yesterday from Gloucester about they're going from the high protein pellet to a lower protein pellet for these calves. And it is very important to shandy that in, because a high protein pellet is most likely going to be based on a pulse grain. So a legume, like might be a faba, soy, chickpea, lupin, any of those. And as you go down in protein, there's going to be a lot more cereal in it. So it is really important in that case to shandy. I'm sure Jim or someone will mention pulpy kidney, but in these times when there is a lot of chopping and changing, pulpy kidney pressure is really high. So I forget what it says on the packet, about three months coverage, but we have seen coverage breaking down a lot less than that. So they're not very expensive. So about every 3 or 4 weeks for pulpy kidney, in my own experience, yeah.